Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make tomato sauce at home without vinegar. Begin by washing and quartering ripe tomatoes, then remove cores and seeds as desired. Use onions, garlic, and olive oil for a savory base, and add herbs like basil and oregano. Simmer slowly until the sauce thickens, tasting and adjusting salt, and a touch of sugar to balance acidity for a bright, fresh result. Start by blanching whole tomatoes for 30–60 seconds to loosen skins, then transfer to ice water and peel. Roughly chop or crush tomatoes and strain if you prefer a smoother sauce, reserving juices to adjust thickness later. Sauté onions and garlic in olive oil until translucent, then add tomatoes and herbs. Maintain a gentle simmer and stir occasionally to prevent sticking while flavors meld and liquid reduces. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing practical recipes. Quick recommendation: the Kindle Paperwhite makes reading recipes in the kitchen easy and glare-free, and it's perfect for saving family favorites. It's lightweight and holds thousands of cookbooks, so you can grab a recipe in seconds. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Taste and adjust seasonings as the sauce reduces. A small pinch of sugar can tame acidity without vinegar. Add dried herbs early for depth and a handful of fresh basil near the end to keep its aroma lively. For a rounded finish, stir in a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil or butter off the heat. This keeps the sauce silky and brings out the tomato sweetness in a natural way.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.